Good morning, everyone. Today, actually, I was just about to get ready, put a little bit of makeup on, and for some reason, I feel like filming it and sharing it with you guys. I'm gonna show you the things that I use almost every day. You know, there are days that I don't put anything on my face, but today, it's one of those days that I do feel like I want to. So I am totally bare-faced right now. You can see that I have a lot of scars on my forehead. It's like there are holes in it. You see especially here. And this is from 2 years ago when I had intense cystic acne. I have this little, you know, leftover of a pimple here too. This is also a little scar. Actually, I had no pimples for many months, like almost a year, but I had this little, you know, it's not a problem. It's because of the end of my trip when I was coming back by plane, and it's a bit stressful, especially when you don't sleep an entire night, which is what I did because we were in an airport for an entire night and I just couldn't fall asleep. I mean, the airport doesn't make it easy for you to fall asleep anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna start. I have a little mirror down here, so that's why maybe you'll see me looking down. The first product that I like to use is this Andalou, is that it? Yeah, Andalou Naturals CC cream, and I don't use this for coverage. I use it because it's an amazing sunscreen. It has like roses, and I've actually talked about this, I think, in my July favorites from last year, and it's just got so many like good natural ingredients, and I really feel like this is like skincare. It makes my skin glow. So let's start with this. I use about this amount, but I will probably have too much, but I will just use the rest on my neck. It's kind of weird being barefaced on camera. I'm actually a little self-conscious because I'm not used to showing myself like this. The only video that I've done that I've been barefaced is that, you know, that when acne ruins your life video. I'm not even using the mirror, I'm like looking in the viewfinder. But yeah, in that video I like took my makeup off and showed my bare face. Oh, that feels nice. Oh my god. And it smells like roses. I mean, if you like roses, you will love this sunscreen. I personally am a huge rose lover. I love pretty much all floral scents. I love orange blossom. I love lavender, rose, of course, lilac. All right, so you see, I mean, seriously, look at this glow. Look at that. This is just from this cream, and I use it every day. I'm in my mid-20s, so I've become even more aware of, you know, the possibility of getting wrinkles and dark spots and aging and stuff like that. I prefer preventing the aging, you know, although I will accept it when it happens, but, you know, I just want to protect myself from the sun. You see, so I use the excess on my neck, because the neck is really important. It's actually the first place that gets wrinkles on your body. So I just massage it in like this. All right, that's good. All right, I decided to put my hair in a ponytail because it was in the way, definitely in the way. And next, Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony. Oh, I'm at the end. I'm gonna need a new one, or if you have a more natural alternative for me, tell me in the comments, because this one is not natural. And then I just use the other side with the spoolie to brush it out and make it look more blended in and natural. Next, I use this RMS Uncover Up. I'm like scraping the sides, but this has lasted me a year. I mean, this thing has lasted me 1 year, and I use it every day almost for my under eye circles, and you know, for just some redness. Like right now I have this and this, so, and sometimes I just cover my nose a little bit too, because it's always a little bit red. It has beeswax. So tell me please in the comments, what is your favorite completely vegan natural concealer? Because I do want to change it, but the thing is, it's just so natural. It's got like 6 ingredients or something, and it's amazing. Like, for me, this is the best concealer I've ever tried. It kind of pisses me off that they have beeswax, because they could very easily put like another wax, coconut wax, soy wax, and then here this little red thing, just a little bit. You know, I don't mind showing the redness and imperfections and pimples and stuff like that. It's just, it depends on my mood actually, or where I'm going. Depends who I'm seeing. But the thing is, I'm just recovering from a lot of cystic acne and scarring. Honestly, I would stop here, but just for fun, I'm gonna use this mascara from 100% Pure. It's their black tea, I think. Yeah, fruit pigmented mascara, ultra lengthening. It's vegan. I really like this. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And it smells like blueberries. Like, how the hell do they make this smelling like blueberries? I think they put blueberry pigment in there or something. So I actually don't put this all over all my lashes. I just put it on the extremity to make my, you know, like outer lashes a bit more fluttery and, you know, butterfly like. So let me just do this. Alright, I just did the mascara. You can see there's like a little difference. I feel like I look more like feline with mascara on. And again, I would probably stop here usually, but just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna use this very worn out Burts Bees. Again, I think this is not vegan. Burts Bees, you know, crayon, lip crayon thing. I think it's Sedona Sands. I don't know why I remember the name of this shade. But yeah, so just a little. So yeah, it's like almost no difference, but it's just a bit more pink than my lip color. And also it's like nice and creamy and just kind of like a lip balm. So this is it. You know, this is, oh my gosh, look at the glowing skin. I mean, can you believe it? I can't believe it. Alright, so I just got completely changed, and it's kind of hard to show you right now with this mirror. It actually doesn't really bring this shirt justice, and I do realize that it needs ironing. I love this off the shoulders top. It's from Oaxaca City in Mexico. I got it for like $10. Those are 2 thrifted necklaces. This one is from Berlin, from Mauer Park. Maybe you know it. If you've been there, for sure you know it. And this one I got the other day, actually, from Value Village. I love it. I mean, it's like really good quality. It's a little heavy, so it's not just like plastic, you know. And I'm also wearing, like, how am I gonna show you this? I'm also wearing like this long black skirt with buttons all the way down. It's kind of weird to show it like this, but this is my outfit today, and I decided just to do like a low ponytail thing. I don't know why, I always feel kind of witchy when I wear this skirt. Of course, I could do something with my hair. Maybe I'll just let it down like this. I never know what to do with my hair. Actually, I'm gonna get a cut. I think I'm gonna get bangs, but like really thick and kind of higher, like a kind of modern, you know, modern chic look. And I'm also gonna cut like 2 inches off my hair because it is really damaged. I'm sure you've noticed. It's really damaged because of my past years and years, like 9 years of flat ironing my hair like every single day, I'm telling you. I'm just tired of this look. I've had this look for like, I would say 5 years and even more. I need that change. What do you think? I'm gonna do a little poll. You can vote in the poll. You can click on the eye in the right hand corner. So my beautiful friends, I want to say thank you for watching, and definitely leave me a comment. As you know, I always reply. Please subscribe if you haven't already and join the Holistic Maya family. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourselves and have a wonderful day. Mwah.